So it's given that x plus y equal to 8 and x minus y equal to 2. Find the value of y. So what I'll just do is, let's take this as equation 1, this as equation 2. From equation 2, I'll just say this is x equal to 2 plus y. So substitute 2 plus y for x in equation 1. So I'll just have 2 plus y equal to 8. 2 plus y gives us 2y equal to 8. So you have 2y equal to 8 minus 2, and we have 2y equal to 6. So here we need to cancel 2 on the left hand side, so I'll just divide by 2, divide also by 2 here, 2 cancels 2 here, 1, 2 goes here, 3. So you have y equal to 3. The answer here is B. So let's go down. This is a product of three numbers is 195. Two of the numbers are 13 and 15. What is the third number? Okay, so let's say the third number is x. So that will be 13 times 15 times x is equal to 195. So I don't need 13 and 15 on the left hand side, so I'll just divide the left hand side by 13 and 15. Whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must also do to the other side of the equation. So you have x equal to 1950 divided by 13 times 5 here will give us 10. So the answer here is D. So let's go down. So it's find the perimeter of a rectangular table with dimensions 65 centimeters by 35 centimeters. So let's say this is our table here, and we have this as 65 centimeters, with this as 35 centimeters. This is find the perimeter. Now the perimeter is the distance around any plane shape. So if this is 35, it means this is also going to be 35 centimeters. If this is 65, it means this is also going to be 65 centimeters. So the perimeter is equal to 65 plus 65 plus 35 plus 35. By the time we add this together, we'll get a total of 200 centimeters. So the answer here is D. I had to change this to triangle because I noticed I typed rectangle, but from the question it's supposed to be triangle. So this is find the area of a triangle with base 35 centimeters and height 20 centimeters. So let's say this is let's say this is a triangle here. So let's say this is a triangle, and it has a base of 35 centimeters and it has a height of 20 centimeters. So the area of a triangle is always equal to half the length of the base times the height. So we'll just say this is going to be 1/2 the length of the base, which is 35, times the height, which is 20. So we'll say 2 goes here, 1, 2 goes here to give us 10. So this gives us 35 times 10 gives us 350 squared centimeters. So the answer here is D. Let's go to the last question for the objective for Cowbellpedia 2015. This says if the simple interest on a sum of money invested at 10% per annum, that's a rate, I'll put that as R, for 2 years, that's a time, and is 250 naira. So this is the interest. This says find the principal. We know that interest is equal to principal times rate times time all over 100. That's for simple interest. But we need the principal. So this is what we need. So we just cross multiply here. So that 100i equal to PRT. Since we need P, we just divide the right hand side by RT, and we'll divide the left hand side also by RT. So this cancels this. So you have P equal to 100i all over RT. So this gives us 100 times I. So the interest there is 250 all over the rate. The rate there is 10% times the time. The time is 2. So 10 cancel this one. 10 goes here to give us 10. So 2 here, 1, 2 here gives us 5. So by the time we multiply 5 by 250 here, we'll have a principal of 1250 naira. So the answer here is 1250 naira. The answer is C.